In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect monday.com to Google Sheets with automated two-way sync. We're going to set up a simple, reliable connection so updates in monday.com show up in Google Sheets and edits in your sheet flow back to Monday. This saves you from manual exports and keeps everyone working from the same up-to-date data. Start by signing into your monday.com account in your browser. Make sure you're using an account with permission to install apps. If you're part of a larger workspace, your admin might control access. So if you don't see the options I mentioned, check with them. In the top right of Monday, click the puzzle-shaped apps icon to open the marketplace. In the search bar, type Unito. Look for the listing called Two-Way Syncing with Unito and open it. Click Install App and approve the permissions. This allows the integration to securely access your boards so it can keep data in sync without you having to copy and paste anything. After installation, you'll be redirected to the Unito view inside Monday. Here, click Connect Your Board to start the setup. Unito will guide you through choosing the tools you want to connect. Select monday.com as one side of the connection. Choose your Monday account, then pick the specific board you want to sync. If prompted, confirm the item or group you want included so Unito knows exactly which records to keep aligned. Next, add Google Sheets as the other tool. Select your Google account and authorize access. For best results, use or create a dedicated spreadsheet and sheet tab for this sync so you don't mix automation data with unrelated content. Keep your first row reserved for headers. That makes mapping and updates more reliable. When both sides are connected, click Confirm. Unito will begin creating the two-way sync. The initial build can take a moment, especially if your board already has a lot of items. Once it's ready, you'll see your Monday data appear in the sheet, and any compatible changes you make in Google Sheets will reflect back in Monday. That's the power of true two-way sync. A few tips to keep things smooth. Ensure you have edit access to the Google Sheet you picked, not just view access. If you plan to collaborate, share the sheet with your team using the appropriate permissions. Keep columns consistent so updates land where you expect them. And remember, you can always refine rules and field mapping in Unito later without redoing this initial connection. And that's it. You've connected monday.com to Google Sheets with automated two-way sync, giving your team a single source of truth without the busy work.